In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to remove a background from this to this using pen tool in Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad. Let's get into it. Once you're inside of the Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad, you can find the pen tool icon on the left bottom, right here. Inside of the pen tool, there are two tools available. One is pen tool, basically for creating path and shape, and the second one is node tool, basically to adjust and edit the path and shape. Once you select the pen tool, you can now start selecting the object, in this case the ball and the cone, and I'm gonna start right here. You can start wherever you like. After you placing the second anchor point, you need to tap it again in order to make a starting point. And you can repeat this nice and slowly. Just in case you made a mistake, you can always redo or undo by tapping the undo or redo button, and you can find them right here. Or you can just simply tap your two fingers on the screen. After you're done selecting the object, you can go to the selection icon right here, and then you can choose selection from layer, and then it will make a selection from the curve or the path that you just made. And then select two masks to remove the background from the object. To deselect the object, you can go to selection and then you can choose deselect. In Affinity Photo 2 on the iPad, if you make a selection using pen tool, it will make a new layer called curve layer. And in order to adjust the results, you need to convert the curve layer into mask layer. And it's pretty easy to do that actually. You can just click on this icon and then select rasterize the mask, and it will convert your curve layer into mask layer. So now you can adjust the picture or the object. And then you can start adjusting the object by selecting the mask layer and then using a brush tool to brush. And you can choose the color black to hide the mask or white to reveal the mask. After you've done adjusting, you can rasterize the objects by clicking on this icon and then select rasterize. Before you rasterize, make sure you duplicate the layer, just in case you'd like to go back and make some adjustment. That's basically it. I hope this video is useful, and if you like this video, please like this video and see you on the next video.